Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a vertical text into your Canva designs. This is a really useful trick, especially if you're a Shopify store owner looking to add eye-catching labels, side banners, product highlights, or modern design elements to your visuals. So we're going to be heading over to canva.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard, where all of your designs are stored. Now what are we going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the design that we want to add the vertical text to it. This could be a product banner, a homepage slider image, or even a social media post for your store. For example, I will select this specific design, and I want to add a vertical text here or there, or here or there. This flexibility is great because vertical text can be used on the sides, corners, or edges of a design to guide attention. So we're going to click on text. Now, select the type of the text that you want. I'm going to select a heading. This heading, since headings work best for bold and readable vertical text. We're going to maybe change the font of it, so I would like to have it like this, League Spartan, which is a clean and strong font that works well for branding. So I will take or put the text, for example, example text, and have it right there. This could easily be something like sale, new, or a product category name for your Shopify visuals. Now I will click on this continuously or press it, and then we are going to take the text right there. I'm going to make it, for my sake, a little bit smaller, but in your case, go ahead and do whatever suits you well, depending on how much space you have in your design. Now I'm going to grab, as you can see, the rotator icon. I will click on it, and we're going to choose direction that we are going to make it vertical for. In our case, I have made it -90 degree. It is going to be an angle that turns the text vertically, which is exactly what we want for this effect. If you are going to make it to the other sense, that means on their reverse sense, you're going to make it 90 degrees like that. It's not 90 degrees, but this is it. So we can go ahead and make it like this. We can go ahead and have the 6 as vertical, as you can see. This gives you control over which direction the text reads, depending on your layout and design preference. I'm going to place it to the middle, and we can go ahead and duplicate this one, but we're going to flip it. This is helpful if you want symmetry or matching vertical text on both sides of a design. Let's see if we can go ahead and do the flip. I cannot do it, but we're going to flip it manually, which works just as well. I click on the rotator, put on the -90, it's not -90, and boom. So do not mind the lack of accuracy here. I'm working with a trackpad. In your case, if you are
going to use a regular mouse, it is going to be better and much more precise, especially when you're fine-tuning designs for your store. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, found it helpful for your Canva designs and Shopify visuals, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.